This is from Matthew and Rebecca and Anna and Corey. What is that? It's for you. Angry Birds hat? No way. Let me see. That is so cute. Cool. Looky, what is that? Oh my goodness, is that an Angry Birds hat? That is so cute. Oh my goodness, look how cute you look with that beak on. That is so cute. Okay, open up Elijah's, Luke. Elijah, smile.
Hey.
What is it?
We got the baby.
Oh my goodness.
Out.
Let me see. Can you show me?
Baby out.
That is so cute. Okay. You gonna put it on him?
I got angry bird.
Oops. Here.
I'm an angry bird.
You're an Angry Bird. Let me see. Smile. I want you to say thank you to your cousins and your aunt and your uncle.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Matthew and Rebecca and Anna and Corey.
Thank you, Matthew and Rebecca.
And Anna and Corey.
And Anna and Corey.
And I just say thank you. Thank you. Lukey, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Awesome.